Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how we can resolve the problem is that is no internet connections facing on the Windows 10, Windows 11. So right now it's working on my case, but in your case, how you can resolve that when it's showing the no internet connections. The first step is that restart your network adapter. So make sure that you just going to that device where you just have a device of network, just restart the adapter, and after that just going to go to this desktop and just on your PC and just on your laptop and just press the window R, just type on the window R, just press window R, and you see the option of and just see the interface overrun. Just have to just type of and that which I'm showing, which will be provided in the description. You just copy from that and just paste it and OK it, and just go with that section and just press the enter. So right click your Wi-Fi or Ethernet just like that and right click, and the next step is that select disable and enable again just like that. Is showing the disable, just going to disable it. Let's say that network is off, you just have to just right click and enable it. It's going to enable the network on my laptop, on your, in your case if you're using the laptop, your desktop. After that just then enable again. Just I'm going to complete the first step, and the second step is that run network troubleshooters. So just going to the settings, network, internet, and status. So I'm going to go to the settings and just going to network and internet. So I'm going to go to the network and internet, network and internet. If you don't find, simply just go into the settings and just going to the settings, network and internet section. You see that on the left corner, just tap that, and I'm gonna short it. And the next is you just have to just go into the status. So I'm gonna find the status. So if you find that, just click it. If you don't find, just have to find it. So right now it's not showing. So how you can find that? Just simply data usages. If you find that, network research, select the disabled. Here going to do that, and the network and internet, I'm gonna again go to that section, network and internet, and just find a status. If you don't find, just going to the additional setups and find it. If you don't find, just search a status. See that is showing the status. So after that, just going to the steps which I will write for you, and click network troubleshooters and let window fix the issue automatically. Just tap that and just window network troubleshooters and click network troubleshooters. If you don't find, just go to the that section and search it and go to network troubleshooter. If you don't find, don't have to worry, just type copy and paste network trouble, just copy that, paste it. If you don't find, don't worry, just go to the search bar and just paste it. See that the current and fix the problem, just copy it, and see that is going to fix the problems. Just going to next, and is checking the problem, troubleshooter microchip internet. Just tap that and to identify the problem. You can try further options that might be helpful. And saying that is not finding any problems in your case, so that's why you have to go to network section and other options. So in your case you have a problem of internet, so that's why you just have to do that. So the third step is that you're just going to the reset the TCP or IP stack. Just open the command prompt of the admin section. So if you don't find where you just type that code. So simply many users doing that, just going to the search bar and just simply just type the cmd. So you don't have to do that. You're just going to the admin panel of that command prompt of admin side. You just have to just see the icon on the taskbar of window. Just type, press the right button of the mouse and option of terminal admin section. Just tap on that and just yes it. You just go to that section of that. Just copy the command prompt and just copy it and just go to that. Just paste it. Yes, anyway, it's going to find your IP address. You're facing the problem, facing that problems. It's going to analyze all the things on the command prompts. So after that section, you just have to restart your computer after running these commands. So you have to restart your PC, your laptop. So step 4 is that check proxy settings. Just go into settings and check that if you are using a proxy, is proxies on or not in your case. Just go to settings, search bar and just search proxy. You go into the correct settings of proxy and you see that is done, it's set up. You see that it's not on, so you just have to not worry. If you use a proxy, it's showing that section. You're just using the proxy, is seeing the option of off, just minus it. After that, the fifth step is that update network drivers. So make sure that you just update the network drivers of your window. Just like that, you just have to just press the window plus X and just go to the device manager. And after just going to the device manager, just going to the network adapters. I'm going to click that and just network adapter, just find that. You see the network adapters, just tap on that. And I'm going to do that search automatically. Update drivers. So it's going to update. So it will automatically update. So you see that department one updated. So after that, you just have to just going to right click on your Wi-Fi adapter and update your drivers. So the sixth step is that network reset. So last option, you just have to just go into settings, network, internet, advanced options, and just like that, I'm going to the settings. It will show you settings, and the next is network and internet. I'm going to cross it for you as network and internet. And the next thing is that advanced network settings. Advanced network settings, let's go in that section. And the network reset. See the option of network reset, just tap on that and reset the network setting from here. After doing that steps, restart your PC and install all the network adapters. So after that step, your problem gonna solve. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more upcoming videos related to Windows problems you're facing in your desktop, in your laptop.